Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite budget drone for real estate photography. Now, my favorite budget drone for real estate photography is the Dji Mini 2. Now, when I say budget, I'm talking about a budget of $500 or less. And this is an excellent drone. I actually would compare the quality to the original Mavic Pro for as small of a sensor as it has. This thing is super light. But if you're just getting into real estate photography, I'd probably recommend potentially getting another one. The only reason why is because this drone does not have any of the obstacle avoidance sensors. Now, if you're pretty comfortable flying a drone, you probably don't need the sensors, or you might even have them turned off, because sometimes when you're filming drone videos and photography at properties, you might have to get close to a pool or a fountain or something like that, and it might mess up your shot. So anyways, what does this come with? Actually, this is the Fly More combo. It's probably the most used drone that I have right now. When I'm out at real estate shoots, I'm using the Air 2S, but if I'm traveling around and I have a really light pack and I just want to have a drone just in case I need to take some shots or somebody wants to add something on, then I'll carry around this one. This is one that you could easily fit in a pocket or a little backpack. But one of the biggest reasons why I love this drone so much, especially with the Fly More combo, is its battery life. Now, a lot of drones, they will advertise 30-minute battery life, but when I get up in the sky and I'm in sport mode and moving around a property, I see that the battery stamina is nowhere near what they had advertised. Now, I would say this drone is probably one that is close to what it's advertised, or is much closer than some of the other ones. I'll fly around with this one in sport mode and the stamina is excellent. Literally have an hour and a half worth of flying in a little case like this. You got 2 batteries, you'll have the other one charging. But I've been super impressed with this drone. Now, if you have the Mini 1, my biggest complaint with that drone, because I had it and I actually returned it, was that it had really poor signal. So if you're flying further than 100 yards or something, it starts to lose signal and it just doesn't make for a very good real estate shoot. And I would probably compare that range to more of some of the original Phantoms, where I would have that issue as well. But it seemed like all the more modern drones didn't have that issue up until the Mini 1. But I'm glad that this one has just as good range as like the Mavic 2 Pro or any of the newer drones. So I really like that. And then it comes with the same standard controller for the regular DJI drones. Now, I personally like to shoot with the smart controller. It has a screen. Just know that if you do opt for the smart controller, that you're gonna need a cell phone or something to tether, because sometimes you're gonna need internet on that. All right, guys, so if your budget is less than $500, I recommend buying the Dji Mini 2 drone. Now, if you have $600 for $599, you can get the Fly More combo, which gives you 3 batteries in total, giving you a lot more battery life when you're at a property, which is nice if you have multiple aerial shoots on a particular day. Now, if you have a little bit more budget, for $700, you can get the DJI Air 2, which is a significant upgrade over the Mini 2, and I definitely recommend if you're a beginner and you need those sensors to fly your drone. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video on the best budget drone for real estate photography. If you're interested in learning more about the real estate media business, feel free to check out our free 1-hour training where I go over my top 10 secrets on how I created a 7-figure real estate media business. I also take you on a few short job shadows so that you can see what it's like shooting real estate media. The link is in the description. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.